Hi everybody, welcome back. So I am currently working on the Foose Custom Cadillac Eldorado. And the mess that you see before you here is my progress. And I do have a specific question, but I'll get to that in a minute. Here's the color of the rag top that I'm going for. I've got stuff primed. Kind of got some color onto the engine here. The instructions actually call for a gold engine, but I'm not going to paint it that way. I'm going to kind of go with this color. I think it looks a little bit better. Go with that. Did the manifolds. I'm using. So I'm going to use Splash Paint's Sparkle Gold Base. And then I'm going to go over that with their Red Candy. Okay, so we're going to see how that turns out. But I have a question for you guys. And hopefully somebody out there can help me with this. So this is the second time I have now painted the car body. And you'll notice there's this kind of like, it doesn't actually have a texture, but it kind of looks dull, right? It looks like, I don't know what's going on with that. And you can kind of really see it that way. And then on this side, you can see it, there's kind of like this discoloration here. So I painted this once. I put a Tamiya gray primer down and then sprayed again the Splash Paints Absolute Black over it, and got this same effect. So I dumped it into the purple pond and stripped it and washed it off really good. I ran over the entire body with a little bit of a fine sandpaper. And you can see there's more of this rough area here, right? And then went back, reprimed it again, and ended up with the same issue. And I'm not sure what's going on here. I was wondering if somebody might have a suggestion. Do you think maybe if I just go over this, just go over the black with maybe wet sand in it, maybe that'll buff that out and I can put another coat of black over the top of it? I'm not really sure what to do, and I'm wondering if there was something in the plastic that is causing this issue, but it's got me stumped. I'm not sure what to do. I have used the Tamiya gray primer before with the Splash Paints without issue. So I'm really thinking that it's something that's on the plastic body itself. Any thoughts or suggestions are greatly appreciated, because I would really like to get this car going. You'll see that, I got a lot of parts here and I kind of want to get it finished. So that was just a quick question. A little bit of an update on this. If you guys can help me out here, that would be wonderful. Thank you to everybody who has subscribed to my channel, and thank you to my long-term subscribers. I really do appreciate it. Please comment, like, and share the video if you feel it's worthy. If you do have a suggestion about the paint on here, again, just to recap, I have stripped the body once in the purple pond, washed it completely, ran over it just a little bit with some light sandpaper, used the Tamiya gray primer, and then went over it with the Splash Paint Black, which I've done in the past without issue. So I'm wondering if it's really something that's on the body, and whatever it is, I'm just not getting out. I'm not 100% sure. Let me know what you think, and yeah, I'll go from there. So looking towards the experts for some help on this one. I'll talk to y'all real soon, and please enjoy your week, and everybody have fun, stay healthy. Bye.